Hey there! Today I am going to discuss a common challenge faced by teachers using Google Classroom: managing comments. While this is a go-to platform for schools, even the best schools have their hiccups. One major challenge teachers face is the flood of comments in the classroom section. It can get overwhelming when students leave irrelevant or distracting comments, not to mention when parents jump in for one-on-one chats with teachers. This constant chatter can disrupt the flow of learning and complicate classroom management. But don't worry, xFanatical SafeDoc has the solution. This powerful extension allows you to block private comment sections, helping students concentrate on what really matters: learning. By implementing the block private comment in classroom policy, you can prevent the distraction of off-topic comments. Getting started is super easy. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once SafeDoc is installed, you can configure its settings to block private comment in Classroom in Google Classroom easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.